Okay, so today I'm showing you how to use a food scale because I didn't get to last night. So first things first, we're going to use I'm going to show you about the food scale that I have. So like I've shown you before, my food scale it has a huge bowl because it comes in super handy for items like this fish and the vegetables and things like that. So just cook your fish. Last night I cooked tilapia in pouches. Took a baking dish, sprayed it down with a little cooking spray, then squirted some lemon juice in there to kind of soak up into the fish, and then I did some garlic powder, some onion powder, and lemon pepper because that is my favorite. So I have my product here that I went ahead and pre-measured so that this video wouldn't take so long of me like looking down and then like looking back and looking down. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot it off into the bowl for you guys. And then I'm going to pull the camera over here so that you can see exactly how many ounces that we have. So we have 5 ounces of fish. So 5 ounces of fish for you for your dinner, which is perfect, right? Okay, so 5 ounces of fish. Go ahead and throw that on your plate, which, I mean, it's not going to be super appetizing looking by the time I put it back on the plate, but you get the gist, right? Okay, so then, what did I have with it? I take fresh green beans, and, I mean, I'm just showing you this for the bowl purpose, to show you that it's super handy. So, I take fresh broccoli and fresh green beans, and I literally just cut the ends off of the green beans, and I put them all in a strainer into the sink, strain it, I make sure that it's washed really well and make sure that it's good and clean, and then I throw them in Ziploc bags and microwave them for a good 5 minutes so that they are still al dente, and then they don't lose a lot of their nutrients, because as long as they still have that crisp to them, then you're still getting a lot of the nutrients that's in the vegetables, okay? So it's still, I mean, like this bowl, if you had one of those cylinder type measuring ones, then you'd be like cram packing it in there. That wouldn't work. So that's why I'm a huge fan of this food scale. So this was my dinner last night. Well, actually less than this, because I ate all my vegetables first since I had that little piece of chicken. And I didn't get to record it for you because my AC went out last night at my house, and it was like way hot, and we just had way too much to do with the baby and everything. So this is my plate. Look how much food that is. That's a lot of food for you guys. So if you had not had lunch and had meat at lunch, then that could be your dinner. That is such a good dinner. I mean, really, you're not really even losing out on any like full plate of food. That's a huge plate of food for you guys. So then, sorry about that, that was kind of gross looking. I wanted to show you guys something else that I was gonna have for lunch today. So it's mashed cauliflower with sour cream and chives. So this one right here, if you went shopping with me, you've seen it before. It's delicious. It's so good, and you can't beat it. You can spray some like diet or fat-free butter in there, just a little. I can't stress that enough. Don't go crazy with the diet butter or the fat-free butter spray, because you don't want it to be floating or turning yellow. You need to still be able to see the white. But on the back, so the total carbohydrates is 8, and then you have 3 fibers, bringing it to a total net carb of 5 for your serving, okay? It's a half a cup. Well, if you were to, I mean, you're not going to eat that much of it, because, let's be honest, the whole cauliflower thing, it kind of hits that olfactory, and then you start thinking, this is not mashed potatoes. So you're really not going to be eating that much. Pair it up with a green vegetable, and there you go. Make sure you get some sort of protein in if you put it with your dinner, and you're really not going to get that much. When we have our cooking demo, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to make some casseroles out of it, but that will be this month's P2P, or this coming up month's P2P, and I will post about that sometime soon. So yeah, so once I get this made up, I will shoot another little video, just a quick one, letting you know how it tastes, and maybe I can get one of my coworkers to say how they think it tastes as an outsider that's not doing the diet. But all right, so that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy your lunch.